Welcome to the spoken tutorial on file handling and bookmarks in FileZilla. In this tutorial, we will learn to view, edit, rename and delete files in the remote machine and add and manage bookmarks. To record this tutorial, I am using Ubuntu Linux OS version 14.04, FileZilla version 3.10.2 and a working internet connection. To practice this tutorial, you should have working knowledge of any one operating system. To learn about Linux OS, please watch the Linux spoken tutorials on this website. Let us begin. I am already in the FileZilla interface. Let me show you how to connect to the remote machine without entering too many details. Locate the Quick Connect button in the Quick Connect bar. Now select the drop-down arrow next to it. It will display a list of remote machines which we were connected to earlier. We have connected to only one machine and the same is displayed here. Select that. Provide the remote machine's password if prompted and press OK. Since I had saved it earlier, it does not prompt me to do so here. We are now connected to our remote machine. Browse to the spoken tutorial folder in the remote machine, which we created earlier. Now, from my local machine, I will upload a document. This has already been explained here. Notice here, the document sample.odt has been uploaded to the remote machine. I want to rename this document. To do so, right-click on the file and select Rename option. The file name is now editable. I will rename as script.odt and press Enter key. Now the file sample.odt has been renamed as script.odt. Similarly, we can rename any file or folder in both the local and remote machines. Is it possible to view or edit the files from the remote location? Yes, it is possible. Let's see how to do so. Right-click on the file script.odt. Select View, Edit. The file script.odt starts downloading. It gets saved in the local machine's temporary folder. Then it opens in its default application. As I downloaded a Writer document, it will open in LibreOffice Writer. In the opened document, let me delete the first two lines and click on Save. Now close the Writer document. Immediately, a pop-up dialog box opens. It says, "A file previously opened has been changed," along with the file information. It also says, "Upload this file back to the server." And there is a checkbox, Finish editing and delete local file. I will select the checkbox and click on Yes. Now the locally edited file is uploaded back to the remote machine. So, viewing and editing the files in the remote machine is quite easy. Note, the software required to view, edit the file must be installed in your local machine. In my case, it was LibreOffice Writer. To set the file permissions, right-click on the file and select File Permissions. The Change File Attributes dialog box opens. Change the permissions as per your requirement. To know more about permissions, go through the File Attributes tutorial in the Linux series. I will keep the permissions as it is and click on OK. To delete a file from the remote machine, right-click on the file and select Delete. A dialog box named Confirmation Needed opens. Click Yes. Now the file script.odt is deleted from the remote machine. Please note, this deletion is permanent. Do we always need to browse the specific location for file transfer? No. We can bookmark the locations and access it easily later. Before adding bookmarks, we have to copy the current connection to the Site Manager. To do so, click on File menu, select Copy Current Connection to Site Manager. Site Manager window opens. On the left, rename the new site as My Site. Then click on OK. Now in the main menu bar, select Bookmarks. It lists two options, Add Bookmark and Manage Bookmarks. Let me select Add Bookmark. The new bookmark dialog box opens. It has two types, Global Bookmark. This bookmark will work for all the connected machines. Site-specific bookmark. This is for the specific remote machine. I will choose Site-specific bookmark. In the name field, I will type Spoken. The next segment is Paths. This displays the local machine and remote machine's current path. If you wish to change it, click on Browse. I want to bookmark the current locations only, so I will skip this. Click on OK. Now these locations are bookmarked. To access the bookmarks, go to the menu bar and select Bookmarks. Here you can see the name of the bookmark, Spoken, which we created. Click on it. Now we are automatically redirected to the bookmarked location. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Let us summarize. In this tutorial, we learned to view, edit, rename and delete files in the remote machine and add and manage bookmarks. The video at the given link summarizes the spoken tutorial project. Please download and watch it. We conduct workshops and give certificates to those who pass our online tests. For more details, please write to us. Do you have questions on this spoken tutorial? Please visit this site. Spoken Tutorial project is funded by NMEICT MHRD Government of India. More information on this mission is available at this link. This script has been contributed by Praveen, and this is Sakina Sidhwa from IIT Bombay signing off. Thanks for joining.